Okay, testing. I'm testing. This is testing. Hello?
I need
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm just gonna be explaining like how I get my hair this red, you know, like what I do, how I keep up with it, if anybody actually cares. Then just keep on watching, I guess. Cute. God, I hope my hair doesn't look like shit because I can't fucking see it. I just want to start off by saying if you are somebody that feels they have to wash their hair every day, this probably isn't for you. Disclaimer, you can take showers without washing your hair. Yes, I take showers. Also, this is for people with dark hair. I had, as you can see from my little intro, whatever the fuck, not intro, the fuck are they called? The fucking little video I put together. I'm new here. Hello. I do have dark hair. It's like dark brown, almost black. I did not bleach my hair. I went straight from the dark brown to this red. So it is possible. First of all, I get all of my products from Sally Beauty. Maybe when I don't have -3 subscribers, they'll sponsor me. But I don't have the box. I, for some reason, took the product out of the box and threw the box away because I'm weird. But I use the L'Oreal Technique Excellence High Color Highlights. And pretty sure the color is just red. Yeah, it's red. They have all sorts of different reds, like darker reds, magenta, the whole spectrum of reds. It's fantastic. Obviously this is a little tube, so I can do all of my hair just like touching it up. Like I touch my hair up with one of these tubes. So to dye my hair fully, I'd probably use 2 to 3 depending. I personally use the 40 volume. The fuck is this called? Developer. They have like 20 volume, 30 volume. I don't know the difference, but I was using the 30 volume when I first started dyeing my hair, and I felt like I seen more of a result, more like vibrant color when I switched to the 40. It's 1 part dye and 2 part developer. So this is 1.2 ounces. So then you would do 2.4 ounces of developer. And like just double that if you're using more tubes. Why am I nervous? Okay. So that's what I do. This hair dye is made specifically for dark hair. Wow, it's me. No, I do not wash my hair every day. I use a lot of dry shampoo, or life hack. You can use baby powder in your hair. Works like a dry shampoo, just kind of soaks up the oils. You can use it on your face too. Fun fact. To wash my hair, I use red shampoo and conditioner, which I use the Zotos Professional Quantum Riveting Reds shampoo and conditioner. You can also get this at Sally Beauty. I don't know if they have it anywhere else. I haven't looked. But the shampoo, you rub it in and you leave it in for like I think a minute or 2. And then you rinse, and then you use the conditioner. You don't have to, it doesn't say to leave that one in, but I do because I'm a weirdo. Because I have a lot of hair and it's easier to brush if you soak it in. So yeah. I guess that's really it. But I get a lot of questions about my hair, so I thought I would just make this quick video and show what products I use and blah blah blah. Maybe, I'm sure nobody gives a shit, but it's not exciting. Okay, well, I'm hoping to have more content soon. I got this new eyeshadow palette from Wish, and I actually fucking live for it. I have my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, which is the palette that I used in my first video. Smells delicious, but it's honestly shit compared to this other palette that I have. It was about $10 on Wish. It's like Twilight Woods or something, but the pigmentation in it is fucking fabulous. The pigment in the Too Faced Sweet Peach just isn't that great. So I want to do a review on that, or like a tutorial, because I'm in love with it. So I guess that's it. Subscribe. All of my social media will be in the description.